Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ready to uncover Vermont's hidden gems? Buckle up because I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the top 10 attractions you can't miss in the Green Mountain State. First stop, Church Street Marketplace in Burlington. Imagine a pedestrian-only street bursting with over 100 shops, restaurants, and cafes. Perfect for indulging in local cuisine or snagging unique Vermont crafts. Plus, the live music and events keep the vibes super lively. Next, let's head to Waterbury for a sweet treat at Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream Factory. Take a guided tour, learn the ice cream making magic, and sample some mouth-watering flavors. And don't forget the quirky flavor graveyard. Ready for some jaw-dropping nature? Quechee Gorge, often called Vermont's Little Grand Canyon, plunges 165 feet down. Hike the trails or just soak in the views from the bridge. Your camera will love it here. Now, onto Vermont's only national park, Marsh-Billings-Rockefeller National Historical Park in Woodstock. Explore beautiful trails, a Victorian mansion, and a working farm that tells the story of sustainable forestry, history, and nature all in one. Art lovers rejoice. Shelburne Museum is your dream destination with over 150,000 works of art sprawled across 39 historic buildings. From American folk art to decorative arts, this museum is a cultural treasure trove. Outdoor enthusiasts, Smuggler's Notch State Park is calling your name. Stunning mountain views, hiking, climbing, and skiing await you. And fall foliage season, simply spectacular. Make a splash at Lake Champlain. Boating, fishing, swimming, and the most picturesque parks and trails. Sunsets here are pure magic. Mount Mansfield, Vermont's highest peak at 4,393 feet, is a must-visit. Whether you're hiking or skiing, the panoramic views from the summit are worth every step. Dive into Vermont's agricultural heritage at Billings Farm and Museum in Woodstock. Live demonstrations and exhibits make this a fun, educational stop for families. Last but not least, Fairbanks Museum and Planetarium in Stowe. Explore natural history exhibits and catch a planetarium show. It's a stellar combo. There you have it. 10 incredible Vermont attractions that showcase the state's rich history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. Pack your bags and start exploring.